Hi from class A2, and this is my Architectonics Studies, Design and Materials in Architecture. So my site is at Vision Public Library, and for my first detail, it will be the window detail. So this window detail is actually a window that has some depth into the wall. Yeah. So the way I wanted to edit it was basically to add in make it wider, as well as remove the window frames. So this will increase the passive daylighting, it allows more sunlight to enter the building. So for the material, I decided to use MHG Solar Comfort Clear Glass, low E glass. This will prevent the heat from the sunlight to enter the building. Some of the heat to enter the building, so it allows more sunlight to enter while preventing the building to heat up. As you can see, it's also double glazed as well. Yeah, so this will even further prevent the heat from entering. So my next design detail is the cubicle. So before, they only cantilevered the structure, the cubicles, in Vision Library. So I decided to add in some washer bolt nuts and screws to hold it down even more firmly, preventing it from breaking. So for the glass, for the third detail, I decided to change the way the glass is. I had to make it protrude out so that it bends at angles to support the library's concept. It allows the person using the cubicle to have a better view of the sky as well as the street below. Yeah. Here's a more cubicle detail, how the people will use the cubicle. And I also added a gap opening at the top of the glass, which provides ventilation inside the cubicle, causing it to be less stuffy. This is because when I was inside the library itself, I sat down for a few minutes, for like 30 minutes. I found it extremely hot and stuffy there, as there wasn't any air conditioning or a fan to allow ventilation to flow. Yeah, so this will help to make the cubicle less stuffy. And for material, I'm using the same material as before, the MHG Solar Comfort Glass, low E glass. This was to make sure that the cubicle is less hot, as it was really extremely stuffy. Yeah. So for the floor finishing, I decided to use 3-layer standard engineered wood from Cheng Feng Enterprises. Yeah. So the wood is to replace the carpet that was there previously. So the wooden floor makes it easier to clean, as they are also a stronger material and they are warmer than carpet, which increases passive heating. This works in favor because some places inside the library are extremely cold. So having the wooden flooring allows the building to have to be a bit warmer. The carpet, for example, if you spill coke on the carpet, it will be extremely hard to clean up. You have to hire people to help clean it up. So having a wooden floor, you just need a mop, which makes it a lot cheaper as well as easier. So for the ceiling, I decided to use fiberboard ceiling, which provides better air quality, noise reduction, and it is made from sustainable materials. So the material I decided to use for this would be the natural fiberboard from Renew Fiber Asia Private Limited. Yeah. So for the interior elevation, the walls will be made of fiber cement board, which are highly durable and not flammable, from Saint-Gobain, Singapore. And the cubicles will be made of timber decorative covering from Toseva. They help absorb sound, and they are renewable material. And the low E glass help reduce the heat in the cubicle. So the low E glass will be the same MHG Solar Comfort Clear low E glass, so that it will help to reduce heat in the cubicle. So for the elevation of the building, the low E glass will help to reduce the heat that enters the building, and the green wall will help to purify the air, lower the temperature in the library, as well as provide some noise absorption. So the glass for the facade will be the low E glass from MHG Solar Comfort. So this will allow the building to, as I said, reduce the heat in the building. And the green wall will be from Elmich, and the model type was VGM. Thank you.